Many fake pumps are happening right now in the market. We can see this here, guys. Look at Filecoin. This happened just 3 days ago, and we can see we had a huge pump. It pumped around 194%, guys. And afterwards, it also dropped quite hardly from to here around 36% drop. So you have to be very careful with this type of pumps. I already mentioned it in my previous video. Don't chase the pumps. Wait for a retracement. Always trade according to your trading strategy. Don't just chase any pumps just because you see some coin is up 10, 20, 30% in a day. That's usually the time when you should be waiting. Don't chase it. We saw it also here with Ordi. Let's quickly showcase it here to everyone. We can see the same thing happened here again and again. It had a nice pump here. We are here on the daily chart and we can see it pumped from $4 up to $7.51, 91% pump, and afterwards we can see it also dropped quite strongly around 35%, and I think it's still probably gonna go a little bit lower. I don't know why these pumps are happening. It's probably just some big whales trying to manipulate people into buying more and then dumping on them. That's why you have to be careful. I only trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. I don't really trade the smaller coins, only if I see a nice opportunity, very rarely. For now, just Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, those are the big ones. They have also the biggest liquidity and they are not so easy to manipulate. Now let's quickly take a look here. What else do we see here on the altcoins markets? Filecoin down 21%, DOT down 4.6%. Again, DOT, the same happened. There was the rumor of an ETF. It pumped quite heavily. One of the top 50 coins, it pumped quite good. We can see here 45% pump. And afterwards, the same 12% drop, which is still holding quite well. This is because it has the rumor of a ETF. That's some solid news out there. Besides that, the market is kind of flat. Everything is just slowly downwards. So you have to be quite careful right now. I wouldn't jump into any positions. Always wait for extreme fear if you want to open at the most advantage position. Just wait, keep calm, stay relaxed. The opportunities will come, and we can see it here on the crypto RSI. We are in the middle right now. We are not oversold. We have to wait. There are some coins that are oversold, but they are like some unknown coins. I wouldn't trade them for now. I would wait for the big juicy coins to go into the oversold zone, which will happen probably in the upcoming days. And that's where we can go in heavy. We can see it here on Bitcoin also. We are very close to getting oversold here on the daily, and once that will happen, I will go in heavily. So I'm just patiently waiting. I know it's very hard as a crypto trader to stay on the sidelines. I know that the hands are itching. You want to do something, you want to buy something, trade something, but it's better to just wait for the right opportunity. You see, if you chase this kind of pumps, especially with leverage, you can easily get wrecked. Look at Filecoin here, guys. Of course, you can make some good money chasing this kind of pumps. And if this is your strategy, please use a stop loss. Just use a stop loss and don't use too high leverage. That was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you all again next time.